Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, hi, I'm Nancy. I'm a sustainable interior decorator, fashion girl, mom. Today we have a very special video. We have a thrift box. My friend Kelly and I from Deeply Madly Modern did like a thrift box exchange. So I thrifted stuff for her and I sent her a gift. She thrifted stuff for me and she sent me a gift. The box is here. This is the biggest box ever. And we're gonna unbox it together and see what she found for me in my thrift box. So welcome to Nancy's and Kelly's thrift box exchange. Oh my God, you guys, we have a visitor. Kiana's here. Okay, I don't want you on camera like that, so go ahead. Thank you. So let's see what's in the box. Okay, the lighting is not gonna get any better than this because it's already dark. It's literally 4 o'clock, but you know, it is what it is. First up in the box, let's see. Oh, first up, we have this cute little, this is so cute, rattan and leather bag. Oh, I love this. Made in Indonesia. This is gonna be amazing for vacation. Like with a cute little like summer dress. You're so excited? I know, me too. That's super cute. Okay, love that. Ooh, we have a lot of bubble wrap in here. I know that something that I bought Kelly didn't make it, and I was so mad because it was like the best thing I got for her, in my opinion. Oh, these are cute. Oh, I love these. Look at this. This little like, is this a sugar thing or something? But listen, I don't know, but I love it. It's a perfect. I actually think I'm going to use it for my Christmas photo shoot that I'm doing. I'm doing like a Christmas vintage 60s themed photo shoot with like a jello mold and everything. So this is going to be perfect for the table. Okay, love that. Kelly, 2 for 2 so far. You know me, girl. You know me. Oh, what's this? Oh, this is really nice. This is gorgeous. Like cut crystal bowl. Oh, this is really nice. Love the design on the bottom. I like bowls like this for so many things, not only for food, but if you see my closet, I usually put bangles in here, bangles or rings. I just stack them in a bowl because they're just easier to grab. So this is very me, and I actually needed another one. So thank you, Kelly. Love that. Okay, so we have the bowl, the creamer, the bag. This is a really good box already so far. Okay, we have another crazily bubble wrapped item. Oh, what is this? I'm excited. Oh, this is so cute. Oh, salt and pepper shakers. I love those. Shake it like a salt shaker, shake it like a salt shaker, shake it like a salt shaker. Now, I actually love the design of this is like a little bit more subtle than I usually go for. I don't have anything like that. So thank you, Kelly. Okay, wait a second. Wait a second. What is this? What is in here hiding? Hold on. Oh, wow. We have these really cute, gorgeous clip-on earrings. Very much my style. Look, putting it in the bowl already. This looks amazing. I love a tassel necklace. Oh, I love this. Yeah, I love this. I literally just thrifted a tassel necklace yesterday. I'm really into tassel necklaces right now. Let me see. Does this fit me nice? Yeah, that's lovely. I think this is so chic, like with a blazer and just some slingback heels for work. Super, super chic. Love. Actually, this could be like a really fun headband. I know some people might not think so, but just, you know, live with me on here. Believe me, I can make it work. Okay, love that. And what is this? This looks like my Victorian charm slider bracelet. Yeah. Ooh. This is really pretty. Got some vintage emblems, some stones in here. That's gorge. Let me put this on. I have a fat wrist, so hopefully it fits. Okay, here is a better view of this bracelet. This is really pretty. Love. It looks antique, Victorian. Comment down below if you know what this is and you know what era it's from. That is a very nice piece of jewelry. I love that. Kelly girl, you really outdid yourself. There's a lot of stuff in this box. The limit for the box was $100, but I think we both went over the budget because I just kept seeing cute shit. it, and I was like, let me get that, let me get that, let me get that. Oh, I love this. Look at this kitchen. This, do you see what I'm seeing? Do you see? Made in Italy. Fucking love this. So far, I will say this is my favorite. Good job, Kel. That's fab. Wait, what's this? There's something in here. Oh, cute. It's a little Santa ornament. It was just hanging out in the cup. Okay, cute. I love that. Oh my God, there's so much stuff in here. Oh my God. What did you, Kelly, what did you do, girl? Kelly. I don't know what Kelly did, but I feel like she went ham. What is this? Oh, what is this? Wait. Whatever this is, I like it. Oh, okay. I think it's a casserole dish, a lidded casserole dish. Yeah, I think it is. Made in Sweden. I love this. Fucking love this. Okay, so I'm really into Trompe l'oeil, anything like, how can I explain? Italian fresco painting, murals, scroll work, anything like that. This is fab. Oh my gosh. This is Clavfrestrum. Anybody know what this is? Clavfrestrum? We don't know, but this is stunning. As you can see, there's my kitchen in the background. I feel like this is gonna be a great parlay in there. I'm gonna actually put this on the stove. This is so heavy too. I think this is ironstone, like iron on the bottom. Oh, this is really good. Kelly, 10 for 10 right now. More stuff. Whoa. What is this? Oh, I love this. This is fab. This is a huge silver plate platter. Now, I know what you're thinking. This is pretty big, but I do a lot of girl dinners, like charcuterie board. What is it? Charcuterie? I don't call it charcuterie because it's not charcuterie. It's literally fucking antipasto. Okay? It's antipasto, and y'all just want to Americanize it, which is fine. It's antipasto. So I do like cold antipasto, like olives, prosciutto, sorpressata, cheese, mozzarella, like a whole bunch of different things. And this would actually be perfect for that because it separates. And I usually use like another platter, but I like that this has the height. So this is footed. This actually would have been great for my barkeeper's friend collab. Shot, wink, wink. This is great. Kelly, doing really good right now. I mean, I'm like, what could she have possibly, what else could she have bought me? Like, there's a lot of stuff in this box. Ooh, what is this? What is this? Wait, is this? Wow. That's pretty. Wait, does this have something with it? I think, maybe? What does it think is like a stand for a footed bowl, I think, but this is really pretty. Okay, if there's no top piece to this, I think I have a solution. Here we have the brass stand. This is a malachite coaster. Kind of fits perfectly. It kind of almost looks like it goes. Like, this actually worked out really well. And then, ta-da! You have your candle, which I love. This is actually my favorite candle in the whole wide world. It's called Oasis by the Vintage Advisor. It smells divine. I have had plenty of expensive candles, and this is the best thing I've ever had. This one is jasmine, green leaf, and fig. It's a wonderful. And if you come to my house, this is what you smell. If that doesn't have a piece, that is how we're gonna use it. So that's fab. Thank you, Kelly. And I think there's like one more thing in here. I don't know. Let me see. Oh yeah, whatever this is. They packed it really well. I'm not gonna lie, I did not pack it this well, and that's probably why one of my items didn't make it, which I'm really upset about, but my own fault. This is really fun, by the way. I had so much fun shopping for someone else. I love thrifting for other people. Oh, cute. Hold on. We have a glass dish. Is this like a set of glass dishes? I think it might be. Wait, no. This, oh, wait. Does that go? Oh my God, I'm dumb. Duh. That's actually even better. These are the pieces for the silver tray. Oh my God. Sometimes I'd be wondering about myself, y'all. Yes, even better. Okay, that's fab. That's great. Look at that, guys. Now imagine holiday time. You're coming in. You have your antipasto, or this could even be great for desserts. I think I would love this for dessert. Like if you have a cake in the middle and then you have different like Italian butter cookies around, that would actually be so convenient. Like very functional. Okay, Kelly, I love that. And I think that might be it. Let me look. This box is heavy. This box is heavy and it was filled to the brim. Okay, wait. We have some more items. This is literally like digging for gold. Oh, wait, does this go to the top? Oh, that's so smart. Oh, I get it. So you put like the hot thing in here. Guys, this is getting better and better as I go, literally. Okay, so this is the complete piece. So fab. Wow. Okay, we got one more item, I think. I think this is the last item. I'm not sure. What's in here? What's in here? I think it might be like a cute bowl. Hold on. Packed really well. I'm so sorry, Kelly. I did not pack your stuff half as well as you packed mine, and I feel like shit about it now. Oh, I love this. Oh, look. Oh, I love. Wow. This is like a Murano Millefiori. I love like art, maybe, or maybe it's not Murano. Maybe it's just like really cool colored glass, but I fucking love this. You know who would love this? My best friend Raph would go apeshit over this, but sorry, Raph. This is a gift for me. This is great. This is great. Can't believe this is only $5.99. What a great price. Okay, let's see if there's anything else in the box, and then I'll show you everything together. Okay, don't mind my table. It's DIY season, okay? But so far, we have this beautiful footed, like, silver plate serving piece, which I really love. That's going to be super useful. We have the wicker and brown leather bag. This amazing, like, ironstone, Swedish, not sure what this is called. This super cute, I'm not even sure what this is, but I love it. I love it. Perfect for the Christmas table. We have these really cool Korean ceramic salt and pepper shakers. This gorgeous Italian striped little cachet pot, which is literally my kitchen. Look at that. Literally. It's going to be so perfect in there. I'm going to go put it in there right now. We have this amazing footed brass item that we already said we're going to use as a candle holder. Just going to add a coaster and my candle. Yeah, that's really cool. We have the gorgeous crystal bowl, the tassel necklace, which I love, the flower earrings, the Santa ornament, and we have this gorgeous, like, modern glass little handkerchief blown catch-all, which I love. What a great way to end this thrifted gift. There we go. This was so much fun. I had so much fun like shopping for Kelly and like trying to figure out what to buy her and like stay on budget, because I just kept seeing things and I was like, oh, that's great. Oh, that's perfect. Oh, I think she'll like that. And then I was getting frustrated too, because I was like, no, I want more of this. I want more of that. Like, it took me a couple of weeks to find exactly one item that I wanted to get her, and I found it the night before I was able to send the box. So that kind of worked out perfectly. Okay, guys, if you want to see what I thrifted for Kelly's thrift box, go to my description and click on the link below. Go check out her channel. She's amazing, just like fashion, interiors, pretty much everything that I do, like just eclectic, wonderful, modern. She's in Palm Springs. Like, go follow her. She's great. And I've known her for a long time. She's a wonderful person. I'm so glad I was able to like do this for her, because I enjoy it. I enjoy giving and I enjoy thrifting for people. You guys see me all the time on this channel thrifting for other people, or like finding things for other people. It's fun, and that's going to be coming soon to a summer near you where you can do that with me in person. I'm going to be doing thrifting like tours live starting in the spring of 2026, so make sure you follow along for that. And guys, I'm about to go decorate and put my stuff away. Now I'm going to also scrub and polish my silver plate platter, because I need that for this weekend for my holiday party thing that I'm doing. And I'm gonna go put my jewelry away and put my bangles in my bowl. So thank you so much for watching. Let me know what you thought. What was your favorite item? Let me know if we should do something like this next year on the channel. Maybe we'll do like a random, like, comment below and we'll pick somebody randomly and we'll do thrift boxes or something like that. But this was really fun and I want to do more of these. So holla at your girl. Also, I went to some guy's storage unit and he was like, I have vintage Chanel, come shop my storage unit. And I literally went to shop his storage unit. So if you want to see that video, make sure you stay tuned, because when I'm telling you Judith Lieber for $20 and so much more cool stuff, it's going to be in that video. All right, guys, thanks so much for watching. Like and subscribe if you haven't already, and I'll catch you on the next thrift trip. Bye.